Hi, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. Now I make a walk around video of to say what kind of boat we have now. We have so many easy craft and Profisher, and some of them is stock. This is 7.5 meter caddy cap is a stock boat. We have a 6.2 meter bladed craft. We have two stock boats, and we also have a 6.2 meter easy craft stock boat. And many Profisher 6.85, 7.5, another to 7.5, which is for sale. And all this easy craft is built based on order. This one is for sale. It's a stock boat. And this all is built based on order. We have two units, 6.25 meter Profisher is for sale. And this gray color wine and this gray color wine is for sale, so grab the chance. So this is the place for the boat ready for shipping, loading, and then we have all the machines. It's a polish machine, bending machine, and at the end we have all the aluminum profile and aluminum plates. And the most expensive machine we have is laser cutting. So have a quick look. Now we are ready to pull this plate onto the laser cutting machines. So it is like working 20 hours per day. And then we have all the fabrication workshop. There are so many boats waiting for painting work. Sprite painting, polish working, primer, and this for the fabrication, many boats welding. This ball rider, easy craft. The most popular is our Profisher series. And this is how the boat started from when it flipped over. You see the welding, just pretty good welding all the way from to the back, and the jigs, and when the boat starting from the frames, and a lot of more boats under constructions. Profisher boats, we have many to be here. Many boats. We have the catamaran and a lot of boats on the fabrication now. It's a catamaran and easy craft. Also, we accept custom fabrication as well. So this is about the fabrication workshop. Now let's move to the fitting work workshop. We have the sample of the seat. This is a luxury dumping seat. Then this is for the aluminum plate. You can see all we use is CCS 5083 H116, 6 mil, 5 mil, 4 mil. And the color choice, color for the EVA floors. This for the welding example. Pretty good welding, like fish skins. And all the product series we use, which is the best quality. The example for the flotation we use to make the level flotations. The welding we use, the hose pipes we use. Product series from 316 stainless steel we use on the boat. And pumps, TMC bilge pump. And this is before we use this plastic. Now we upgrade to aluminum. Or the painting shim. The bilge pump difference. And C-Star and C-First hydraulic steering we use, 2 options. And the winch, drum winch and the vertical winch, the lights, everything. We have the deck wash, battery switch control panels, especially this all the wiring could be quite neat and professional. Speakers, LED deck light. And this stand is for all the sales options, different kind of sales. Then we have all the 316 stainless steel, steering ladders, leads, rod holders, so many options. So this video is about the boat accessory and what we use from different from other boat factory, and that's why we are different from other factory from the price sometimes. And now let's have a quick look from the top view. And this is all the showroom with so many boats finished. And hopefully you have your own boat at our showroom soon. Okay, this is about video to show today. Any question, please contact Roger. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.